Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install plugins in Audacity in 2026. Plugins can add new effects and processing options to Audacity, giving you more tools for editing and improving your audio. First, check which plugin format is supported by your Audacity version and operating system. Common audio plugin formats can include VST and other supported standards. Before downloading a plugin, use a trusted and legitimate source. Make sure the plugin is compatible with your operating system and your version of Audacity. Download the plugin installer or plugin file according to the developer's instructions. If an installer is provided, open it and follow the setup process. Pay attention to the installation location. Some plugins may need to be placed in a folder that Audacity scans for effects. After installing the plugin, open Audacity and go to the Effect or Plugin Management area. Depending on your version, you may need to rescan available plugins before the new effect appears. If Audacity asks whether you want to enable the plugin, review the name and source before confirming. Once the plugin is enabled, look through the Effects menu and find the newly installed tool. You can open it on a test recording to see how it works. Start with moderate settings and preview the effect. Some plugins can dramatically change audio, so avoid applying extreme values until you understand what each control does. If the plugin doesn't appear, check that it's installed in a supported location and that the plugin architecture matches your system. Don't install random plugins from unknown sources. A trusted plugin can be useful, but compatibility and security matter too. You can also disable a plugin later if it causes crashes, errors, or unexpected audio problems. Once everything works correctly, save your project and test the plugin on a copy of your audio before using it in an important project. And that's how to install plugins in Audacity. Choose compatible plugins, install them correctly, rescan when needed, and test each effect carefully before using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next